Welcome you all on my video lecture series on probability and statistics. In this section, we are going to discuss about some questions that are usually asked in examination. In this section, I will discuss two questions. In the next section, I will again come with the different questions. So we have a set of two questions only in the short video we will discuss. So now come with the first question. If you are new, you can subscribe our channel for the more updated videos on probability and statistics. So these questions are usually asked in the examination. The first question is, a random variable x is distributed at random between the values 0 and 1 so that its probability density function is fx is equals to kx squared 1 minus x cube, where k is the constant. Then the question is, find the value of k and also obtain the mean and variance. Here what we can see, the function it is given, it is a probability density function. So obviously, so as we know, it is given the probability density function. So density function means what? The random variable that given x, it is a continuous. So it follows the continuous distribution, probability distribution function. So fx is kx squared 1 minus x cube, and the range that you know, it is between 0 to 1. So first thing, before solving this type of question, we need to identify which type of function it is given. So now we know it is a probability continuous function. So it is given what? This kx squared into 1 minus x cube. Here we require to find the value of k first. So for this, what we know, if fx is a probability density function, then in its integration should be 1 as per probability of probability density function. So it is minus infinity to plus infinity, but your range is 0 to 1. So that we put here 0 to 1, k is outside, that is x squared 1 minus x cube dx, that equals to 1. So by simple calculus integration that we obtain here, so it is x squared minus x to the power 5 dx. Now by integrating, it is x cubed by 3 minus x to the power 6 by 6, limit from 0 to 1. So what we get the value, that is k is equals to 6. So the first part is completed. Now another part is here to find the mean and variance. So we know to find the mean and variance for any distribution function or random variable that we say. So it is what? Mu1 dash. Mu1 dash is what? It is first moment about the origin. So it is integration minus infinity x fx dx. So again, simple integration that we required. As you know, k is equals to 6, so that we have put, kept here 6, 0 to 1 x cube minus x to the power 6, because we have multiplied by the x here. So simple integration that we perform, x to the power 4 by 4 minus x to the power 7 by 7. Once you put the limit 0 to 1, so for 0 it is 0, so it is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 7, simple. So finally what we get here, 9 by 14. This is the mean that you obtain here. Mean is 9 by 14. Now to get the variance, we have to find the mu2 dash. It should be mu2 dash. So mu2 dash is what? Minus infinity to infinity integration x square fx dx. So by again simple integration, what we get, it is 9 by 20. You may calculate and match the answer. So we have calculated mu2 dash and mu1 dash. So the variance can be given as by the formula mu1 dash minus mu2 dash minus mu1 dash square. This formula you must remember to get the variance. So it is 9 by 20, that you know, minus 9 by 14 square, and the final calculation is 9 by 245. Okay, now come to the next question. Now come to the second question. In this question, it is given a box contains 2n ticket among which NCI tickets bear the number I. I is where 0, 1, 2 up to n that we have. A group of m tickets is drawn. So what is the expectation of the sum of their numbers? So what we can do here, so what we analyze here, xi is the random variable which representing numbers on ith ticket drawn. Out of 2n tickets, the number that is NCI tickets bear on the numbers. So then S be the sum of the numbers on the ticket drawn that we understand here, because we require the expectation of these things. So S will be what? It will be x1 plus x2 plus x3 up to m. M number of tickets are drawn. That's why it is summation of xi, I is equals to 1 to m that we say. Now we require to find the expectation of this one, ES. So ES will be what? It is summation E of xi. So now xi is the random variable which can take any one of the possible values. That is 0, 1, 2, 3 up to n with respect to probability. So probability will be what? NC0 is the number of ticket that is desired and divided by the total number of tickets containing, that is 2 to the power n. So respectively that we can obtain here. Now we will calculate this expectation. So expectation E of xi is what? It is 1 upon 2 and that we have taken outside. So it is 1 into nc1 plus 2 into nc2 plus 3 into nc3 like that. It is summation xpx that we analyze here. So 1, 2, 3 are the what? Number of tickets that I is equals to 1, 2, 3 that up to m that we have taken. So what we get here, it will be 1 upon 2 to the power n and the respective combination that you see here. So by taking n outside, so it is 1 plus n minus 1 plus n minus 1 and minus 2 upon 2 factorial and like that. So it will be what? N upon 2 to the power n, and it is like n minus 1 c0 plus up to this level. So what we can analyze here, this will be equals to what? It is a combination by binomial expansion that we learn here. It is 1 plus 1 to the power n minus 1. So it is n by 2 directly that we can write. So it is E of xi that we have n by 2, but the expectation of S, that is summation part. So up to m that we see. So it is summation I to is equals to 1 to m n by 2. So final answer is m into n by 2. So that is your final answer. So I hope so. These questions are very interesting to remember for any examination. In next lecture, very soon, I am coming with the question number 3 and 4. So if you have not subscribed our channel, you can subscribe our channel and definitely be in touch. If you have any query, you can ask, you can write in the comment box, and do not forget to share with your friends. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.